Hey, everybody, it's Chris. I hope you're having a beautiful, beautiful Wednesday morning. So, I just got finished doing a podcast and I was thinking about what it was that I wanted to share with you guys today. And one of the questions that my friend Lauren Sharon asked me this morning was all about where do coaches get stuck as they're building and growing their business when they're trying to get to six figures. Maybe they've made 40, 20, 40, 50, 60, and even if they're approaching, the 100K mark, what happens? Like, what is it that has them kind of stuck, not able to get over that leap? And one of the things that I shared with her that I see over and over and over again is this idea, is this where we get stuck, is there's got to be a simpler way. And so instead of continuing with the program, continuing to implement a process, there's a couple things that they end up doing. Actually, there's three things. And so I want you to hear what these three things are so that you don't do them, so that you don't make these expensive mistakes in your business. So number one, they begin to think that if they want to make more money, they have to start investing in ads. So ads have their time and place. However, if you implement ads in your business way too early before you actually are at the six-figure mark with a process, a marketing process and a sales process that is actually bringing the right clients into your ecosystem, you actually have a nurture process or a connection process with people where you are connecting with them, serving them, giving them value before you invite them to buy. And you have a way, a system, a process that converts the people that are in your nurture pathway into buyers. If you don't have that working well organically first, ads don't fix that. So that's one thing that people get stuck. They think that if they start running ads, that will instantly lead to conversions, and it doesn't. Ads actually fill your attract bucket. It doesn't necessarily fill your conversion bucket. So number one, don't do ads too early, all right? Make sure that you've got your marketing process going well and your sales process going well organically so that you know that you are bringing in consistent income so that you actually have the money to invest if you decide that you want to do ads. Number two, stop chasing bright, shiny tactics. We all do this, right? We're entrepreneurs. We've got so many ideas. We're like, oh, I could do this, and I could do this, and I could do that. Here's the thing. Whenever you begin to chase another tactic, it takes your focus off of a process. And when you do that, you start grabbing at all of these, again, tactical pieces, which are tactics versus systems, right? So, a tactic would be doing a Facebook Live like I'm doing now. This is just a tactic. It's not necessarily a system or a process. The way that you use your marketing pieces inside of a system or a process is your system. Right. So people start saying, oh, okay, I don't really need the process anymore. Let me just go chase this next shiny tactic. Right. Let me just go, do all of these. Let me just go open a TikTok and, start doing some dancing, or let me do I don't know if you guys remember when the lip syncing was a really, really big deal. Right. So again, those are tactics. Those aren't necessarily a marketing and a sales process. And then the third place that people get stuck is they begin to think that it's going to be easier if they just start passive income in a membership or a really low priced offer course. Again, you have to get your offer suite dialed in so that you are making consistent sales in your business consistently every single month before you even think about trying to open up a course or a membership that is going to require a very, very large audience. So why? Because think about it. If you are trying to sell a $47 membership, that means you need to get in front of a lot of people in order for a small percentage of the people that you're in front of to actually convert. So again, if you want to make, $10,000 in your business every single month, then that means that you need to have a large audience to get in front of enough people that are then going to convert into buyers after you've nurtured them. So it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of energy, it takes a lot of funding behind it, because in order to build an audience that big, then again, you are, moving into the direction of, putting money into either ads or other people that you are going to pay to help help you create that exposure. So if we're talking about easy, and if we're talking about simple, if we're talking about how we can do this in a way that is actually going to allow you to have the consistent income, serving the clients that you want, we don't really want to start those low ticket courses or memberships until you have your high ticket offer and your offer suite dialed in, so that you are consistently bringing in your high ticket clients. You've got those spots sold out, and you're at a position in your business where you can fund getting in front of a much wider audience. So again, ads only increase your attract bucket. It doesn't necessarily increase your conversion bucket. So every time you go into another direction, every time you chase a tactic, every time you try to create another offer, that actually puts you back at square one, because each offer in your offer suite is going to be geared towards a specific client. So let's keep it really, really simple. You want a high-end offer, your high-ticket offer. You want a mid-tier offer. You want a low-ticket offer. Your 3 offers there in your offer suite are all you need for a 6-figure, a multiple 6-figure, a 7-figure business, a multiple 7-figure business. And yet people are making it complicated by chasing the tactics or creating all of these new things, which actually bifurcates their energy, takes them off the focus. Again, it's just not a good thing for your business if you want to grow consistently and sustainably. Okay, so let me know which one of those 3 things, again, what it is that I taught you today was the 3 places that I see coaches getting stuck in their business. So number 1 is they actually start to invest in ads too early. Number 2, they start chasing tactics instead of really honing in on their strategy, their marketing and their sales strategy. Number 3, they end up starting a low-end course or a membership way too early, and they don't have the audience to support it or the budget to support it. All right, my friend. So what do you do instead? That's the key, right? It's like, okay, well, now that you know what not to do in your business, what do you want to do in your business? And what I want to invite you to is the 6-Figure Success Simplified training. My gift to you, you've got a free ticket. I'm going to post the link below. So click the link below here in the comments and you can join me for free. I'm going to take you behind the scenes of what I've done to build and grow my business successfully, sustainably, predictably, profitably, year after year after year, without trading my well-being, without using any slimy, aggressive tactics, without feeling salesy or icky or trading my integrity. I'm going to teach you how to do that. I'm going to take you step by step. I'm going to give you my same blueprint that I teach inside of my flagship offer, Activate Abundance Academy. I'm going to teach you the same blueprint that I have used over and over and over again. They are timeless principles that have worked for years and years and years. They are not based on algorithm. They are not based on a tactic or a trend. They are specific principles and processes that you want to have dialed in for your business. So 6-Figure Success Simplified, click the link below. You will, once you register, there's a couple things that are going to happen. Number 1, you're going to get my playbook. So you'll get the 6-Figure Success Playbook delivered to you immediately. And then I'm going to walk you through that playbook step by step over the course of 5 days, starting on Monday, January 20th. And you're going to be able to ask me questions. We're going to be in a Zoom room. You're going to see me. I'm going to see you. You're going to get some customized coaching on how you can actually implement those pieces in a way that works really, really well for you and your business. Number 2, I'm going to give you a gift of, even before our training starts on Monday, you can book a call with me and have a holistic business audit. Now, this is not a sales call. I am not going to sell you anything. This is simply a way for you and I to have a conversation so that I can hear what do you have working in your business, what's not working, and then I can direct you to the trainings that I'm going to be teaching next week that are going to give you the best bang for your buck, right? So if you can't make all the trainings, don't worry about it. We will have the recordings for you. But I want to hear what's going on so that you can see which pieces you're missing, and then you'll be able to implement that a lot quicker. Again, that's not a sales call. It's an audit. It's a 20-minute call. Very, very quick, a way for me to have my eyeballs on your business, my brain on your business, and then I can guide you to what's going to support you the best in the training. All right, my friend, I can't wait to see you next week. Again, comment playbook below if you want the playbook, and we'll go ahead and we'll get you registered, and I can't wait to see you on Monday. Actually, I'll see you tomorrow for another Facebook Live, but I will also see you on Monday. Bye, my friends.